Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on delete browsing data, and I would say here we've got basic options, so we can remove the history, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got those advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Again, you can change the time range, it's up to you, and then tap on delete data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.